Happy Friday, BRC racing enthusiasts. Figured we'd talk some motorcycles today. We've been doing this for a long time. We've been involved in business since 1996. We started building two-stroke engines in around the year 2000, and we decided to make 500cc two-stroke engine kits in 2014. Today, we have 4 models of 500cc engine kit. We've got from 2005 to 2016 KTM 250 and 300. We've got the 1999 to 2026 YZ250 YZM 500 kit. We've got the KTM 250 and 300 TPI to 500cc engine kit. And not only that, we did it first. BRC actually did TBI for KTM motorcycles before KTM did. This is the BRC TBI throttle body. As you can see, the injectors are in the bottom of the throttle body, pointing directly into the center of the reed cage, not like what KTM did with perpendicular injectors. Yeah, we did it first. KTM copied us. And this is an example of one of our EFI engine kits in a snow bike application. Absolutely savage. 60 plus foot-pounds of torque, 70 plus horsepower. Unbelievable on the snow. If you're thinking about doing a motorcycle conversion, a dirt bike conversion, why not pick up a YZ250? From 1999 to now, you've got complete compatibility, bolts into your stock chassis without any fabrication whatsoever. Absolute rocket ship. Some of the best riders and fastest riders on the planet have called this the fastest, most fun motorcycle they have ever ridden. That's some pretty high praise. Another engine kit that we did is for the Honda CR500. We kind of came full circle, as this was the original bike that we built, and it was less than exciting when we first rode it, and it'd be due to vibration. So we decided, hey, let's build a counterbalance case set for the CR500. That one change in dealing with the vibration completely transformed the riding experience of riding this very stiff aluminum frame CR500 AF. The suspension actually worked for a change. The dampening actually worked. It absolutely transformed and made this CR500 rideable and fun. So if you've got a CR500, we need more people to want these. We built 10 prototypes. They all went out into the wild with rave reviews, but we're struggling actually to get anybody to want to jump. We know we're not doubling your displacement, but the ride quality that this kit gives your CR500 is unmatched. So, balance shafts for the win. BRC keeps innovating. We've had major progress in our R600 V-twin for Yamaha R6 motorcycles. We're going to enter the road market, obviously the track market with that. It's going to recalibrate a hypersport sport bike. 160 horsepower, 265 pounds in track trim. There ain't nothing going to be like that. Anyways, thanks for tuning in. Hope you have a good weekend, and stay tuned as always for more innovation coming out of Canada. Here we have our shipping department where we package up our 500cc engine kits. We've got a Gen 2 MY17 to 23 kit going out to a customer here. We've got 2 of our Gen 1 KTM kits for 2005 to 2016 KTM 250 and 300s. And then we've got 3 YZM kits ready to go out the door next week. So thanks to the guys that are supporting us right now. Winter's a great time to build up a cool project bike. So why don't you take advantage of it? We got kits in stock and more on the way. Thank you.